Hello everyone, I'm thrilled to have you here with me today. In this video, we're going to unbox HPE DL380 Gen10 server, and after that, I will configure ILO and RAID. At the end, I will install ESXi on USB disk. But before we dive in, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you never miss any of our content. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for your ongoing support. Your likes, comments, and shares mean the world to me. Let's start. The HPE ProLiant DL380 Gen10 is a versatile and reliable 2U rack-mounted server designed for enterprise applications, powered by Intel Xeon scalable processors. It offers a broad range of performance options to handle diverse computing needs. With a substantial memory capacity, flexible storage configurations supporting SAS, SATA, and NVMe drives, and multiple PCIe expansion slots, the DL380 Gen10 provides a customizable and scalable solution for data-intensive tasks. Advanced management features like integrated lights out facilitate remote management, while security measures such as Trusted Platform Module, TPM, enhance data protection. The server's energy-efficient design, including redundant power supplies and fans, ensures reliability and optimal performance. Equipped with gigabit Ethernet ports and optional advanced networking, the DL380 Gen10 caters to high-speed data transfer and efficient networking in data center environments. In this video, I will unbox this server. After that, configuring ILO and RAID. At the end, I will install and configure ESXi 8. Now let's get to the unboxing. I ordered this server with one CPU and one power supply from HP Market. You can customize your server specifications. This is cable holder. This used to hold and organized electric and network cables at the backside of server. These are rail kits to hold server inside the rack. These are 2.4 terabytes disks. I will use them as RAID 6. Let's assemble the parts. I will install disk in slot 1 till 5. Let's look at inside the server. I will install ESXi on flash USB, so I install USB flash disk to here. After connecting electric cable, wait for some seconds after that, press power button on the server. You can find server serial number and ILO default password on this label. Start to configure ILO and RAID. Because I don't have a monitor, I cannot give IP address to ILO interface, but default ILO IP address setting is set to DHCP, so if I run DHCP server on my network, I can assign IP address to it and access to ILO and console without keyboard and monitor. I connected my laptop to ILO port directly. Set the static IP address on my laptop network interface. I have downloaded small DHCP server. You can use this tools on your laptop or use already existed DHCP server in your network. If you have DHCP in your network, you can skip this section. Okay, my DHCP server configured and running now. Let me connect ILO port to my laptop. Okay, ILO gets this IP address. Open ILO from your web browser. ILO default username is administrator, default password right in the label behind the server. I will show you in this video. These are information about your server. Disable DHCP and give static IP address on ILO interface. Click on Apply. To apply IP address on interface, we have to restart ILO, and after that, connect to it with new IP address. Stop DHCP server on my laptop. Log in again. Open Server Console. This screen, same as your connected monitor to your server. You can do anything from here, for example, configure RAID and ILO. Maximize the screen. press F9. To configure RAID, select System Configuration. Select Smart Array. You can configure RAID controller and disk from here. You can configure cache from here. Select Array configuration to create a RAID. Select Create Array. Select your disks. Select Proceed to Next Form. Select your RAID format. I select RAID 6. Select Proceed to Next Form. Write the name of virtual disk. This is size of your virtual disk after creating RAID that you can use. Select Submit Change to create virtual disk. RAID configuration finished. Let's check other menus. Change administrator default password. Click on Update User. You can change boot order of your server from here. You can see the ILO firmware version. That's good to always have updated firmware. Don't forget to set up time server, because correct time is very important to get the source of the problem. You can use console by HTML5 or Java. Both of them are same. Exit from System Utility. ILO and RAID configuration finished. Let's install ESXi 8 on flash disk that already plugged into internal USB port. Also, I will mount ESXi installer ISO file from web console. I have download ESXi 8 installer ISO from VMware website. Open HTML5 web console. Click on icon like a CD on top of the console. Select CD DVD, then select local ISO file. Select ESXi installer ISO file. Press F11 to open boot menu. From one-time boot menu, select ILO Virtual CD-ROM. OK. Press Enter to start installation. Press Enter to continue. Press F11 to continue. We can see two disks here. One of them is our USB flash disk and another is our created virtual disk. Because I want to install ESXi file on USB flash disk, select USB disk and press Enter. It gives us error that all data on this USB disk will be overwritten. Press Enter. We got another warning that tells us you're going to install ESXi on USB flash disk. If you select your virtual disk from here, ESXi will be installed on this virtual disk. I don't select this disk and press Enter. Press Enter again. Select keyboard language layout. Write ESXi root password. Press F11 to start installation. OK, installation complete. Press Enter to reboot server. Before rebooting server, unmount installer ISO from server. OK. ESXi loaded successfully. Now I should set the IP address and configure network interfaces. Press F2. Write root password. Select Configure Management Network. Open Network Adapters and select all network interfaces. Select IPv4 configuration. Select Set Static IP Address and give IP address to ESXi server. Enter. Press Escape to exit configuration. Press Y to save the configuration and restart management service. Open ESXi server from web browser. Write username and password. OK, ESXi virtualization installed successfully. At first, I'm going to create data store. Click on Storage. Click on New Data Store. Create New Data Store. This is my virtual disk that I already created. Next. Finished. Now edit IP settings. Okay, your server is ready to use? Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it informative, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below sharing your thoughts or any questions you might have. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our future content. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, there's a good chance your friends and family will too, so don't hesitate to share it with them. Sharing is caring.